Oh no, there is a mistake. Now I wonder if it will go away if I just continue weaving. No, it won't, so we have to fix this. When you want to undo, if you know for certain where your mistake is, you basically can unweave every other, and then you can find only the one tablet that has the mistake, which is the case here. This should be white. Unweaving, you reverse what you just did. So this went forward, so now I weave this backward. This went backward, so I have to weave this forward. This also went backward, so I have to weave this now forward. And if you don't remember what you just did, read your pattern. You can undo by weaving this reverse direction. Okay, this went forward, so I weave this backwards. And then also the edges. And the mistake is still there. So it has been done earlier, so we have to undo more. Now you can take, if you see your weft clear in the shed, then you can take what is this? Look, the weft is not clear. So take your weft, pull it a little bit, and you see that there it doesn't undo. So put your finger there, like this, and then you have to turn that one tablet. Now your shed is clear and your weft is free. Now you can take the weft back. Now we still have the mistake. We have to undo more. Move your mark. This is what you should undo next. And check the weft. Weft is clear and free, and the mistake is still there. We have to undo more. Move your mark. Reverse weaving. Now we are getting closer to the mistake. And again, here is the weft. Shed is clear. You can undo. Move your mark. Unweave. Aha! Look, I unwove and the shed is not opening, so I think we found our mistake. We can check. You collect all the yarns that are on top of the weft. Take it to your hand, one by one. Oh, this is a good mess. And the rest is clear. Now, here is the mistake. And now we have to turn this one tablet so that the shed opens. Now the shed is clear and the weft is free. And that was our mistake. Now you want to know where you are in the pattern. If you look at the pattern, this is the line we just undid. Move your mark one step lower, compare this line to situation you have here on the tablets. In the pattern forward I should have one light, yes. I should have two light and one dark here in the back, yes. In forward I should have two dark, they are here on top holes. Then I should have two light, they are here, and in the back one light. My pattern is now correct and now I can continue weaving. I move the mark. I move according to pattern and I check, yes, right colors are coming to the pattern. And the mistake is gone. Oh, this line has several mistakes. Ooh, lovely. Let's undo them. Now I can only unweave because I don't know what happened. And several tablets are now wrong. The edges I can unweave because those always go forward, so I can unweave the edges by turning them back, and I then put them inside. I can see the weft here. I simply start collecting yarn by yarn. All the threads that are on top of the weft. You can see the green weft there. One by one. This is very slow. This takes patience, but it's the best way to weave when you don't know where the mistake is or what happened. Sometimes yarn felt, so you can use a small needle or a pin to find where your weft is. And don't pull, just gently lift yarns. Never mind about these now, we will fix them next. Now you have to find the weft. It's here. It goes under the tubular selvage. One more. Okay, weft is now free. The shed looks awful. Keep your fingers in and then one by one turn the tablets. Take the next edge and it's clear, and mistake is gone.